In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional certificate using Google Docs. This is a fantastic skill to have, whether you're recognizing achievements, commemorating milestones, or even crafting personalized awards for friends and family. So, let's get started by guiding you through the simple steps to design an elegant certificate that you can easily print or share digitally. First, we'll need to open a new document in Google Docs. Head on over to docs.google.com and start by clicking on the option to create a blank document. This will give us a fresh canvas to work with, ready for our certificate design. Next, let's adjust the page setup. Begin by clicking on File in the top menu, then scroll down and select Page Setup. Here you'll want to choose the landscape orientation, which is generally better suited for certificates, giving you more horizontal space to work with. Once you've selected landscape, click OK to apply these changes. Now that our page is properly set up, it's time to add a border to frame your certificate elegantly. To do this, click on Insert in the menu and then navigate to Table, where you'll select a 1x1 table. This table will initially appear as a small box on your page. You'll want to click and drag the edges of this table so it completely fills the page, creating the look of a border. With our border in place, you'll need to adjust its appearance to give a more formal look. Right-click on the table and choose Table Properties. Here, you can set the border thickness to something like 4 points, which will give a nice, solid edge. You can also select a color that complements your design or matches an existing theme, adding a personal touch to your certificate. Next, let's move on to the most crucial part, inserting the certificate content within the bordered area. Begin by adding a title such as Certificate of Achievement at the top. This sets the tone and informs the recipient of the document's purpose. Beneath the title, you'll include the recipient's name in a larger, bold font to make it stand out. Continue by detailing the award specifics, which could include the reason for the award, the date it's being given, and spots for any necessary signatures. These details solidify the certificate's authenticity and significance. For a finishing touch, let's add some decorative elements. You can do this by going to Insert, then selecting Image, and choosing Search the Web. Here, look for elements like ribbons, logos, or seals that might enhance the visual appeal of your certificate and make it truly stand out. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a personalized certificate that's ready to be shared or displayed. By using Google Docs, you've shown how versatile and powerful this free tool can be, transforming a blank page into something meaningful. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.